Well, hard to believe it was almost 24 hours ago. We were standing right here saying farewell to the Newsboys, and now nothing's left except the memories. All the confetti has been pretty much cleaned up by the custodial crew, which is we will be taking a look at the Marvel expansion in just a second. But first, we're just going to have to take a moment here to take a look at everything. I'll be right back in a moment. All right, everyone. We are heading as we head towards Mission Breakout. Ew. Marvel Land is definitely getting closer and closer by there. Oh, Five and Dime. With the cancellation of the Newsboys, if you're a fan of Five and Dime, you're probably elated because they're getting more showtime. Right, I'm going to have to shut up here for a second as we let them pass, and they're probably going to sing right now. Look at this. The regular Fast Pass machines haven't blocked off. Now you have to get them over here, so standby goes that way, goes to one side, while standby goes that way. So, wow. This is kind of weird. We know we're Marvel Land opening up next year, so this should be very, very interesting. And it's only a 45-minute wait. Not bad at all. All right, we're going to take a look at some construction when we get back. Now, I got to plug my camera in right now. All right, so you can tell, we clearly can't tell how bad the view from Marvel construction as the business is scheduled to open next year. Hopefully at D23 we should hear some news regarding an opening date. All D23 coverage, and especially the rumor mill regarding a certain attraction. Well, there we go. Take a look, guys. This is what formerly where it's thought to be a bug used to be. Glad that it's gone. And it's going to be a Spider-Man attraction. We don't know. Rumors are speculating that it's going to be based like Toy Story Mania, which I could take without a guess. But overall, it's gone vertical. It's going vertical, which I am very happy about. But I'm just concerned what phase 2 is going to be, because they did say it's going to open up in phases. So we haven't heard anything on the phase 2 quite yet. So that's the only time will tell, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys after DCA.